Info cards are a fantastic way to get more watch time on your video channel and a way to potentially increase the ranking of your video. Today's YouTube tip specifically is on how to add an info card to your video that creates a specific call to action for the viewer to click and view another video. Now, sometimes I use very simple info cards that are saved. Let me show you what I'm talking about. When you oftentimes watch a video, up here at the top right-hand corner, you see this little strip that says a name of another video, okay, like a little teaser. And the goal is to get somebody to click on that little preview, to click on that to view your other video. But you have to put these in. They're not automatic. Now I just realized I have a typo up here, so we'll fix that title in a minute. Okay, so about, let's see, where was I at? About the 5-minute mark. Let me look at my video real quick. 5 minute and 18 mark, I say in my video, listen to this. I'm using Gutenberg now for WordPress, but some of the okay, I say I'm using Gutenberg for WordPress. Now what I want to do is give them a suggestion to view my Gutenberg blog a tutorial video, right? So the first thing I do is I go over to my channel and I find that video, which I did right here, a sneak peek at Gutenberg WordPress editor. So now I'm just going to grab this YouTube video, go back over to where I'm setting up my info cards. Now I'm going to click add card and I'm going to add a video, create, paste in the YouTube video I want to go in there, customize a teaser, check out Gutenberg. Gutenberg preview video. Okay. Then I'm going to click create card. Now what I need to do is move that card over to where I want it to pop up in the corner. So I am going to move it right up here to the 5 minute and 18 second mark. Right there. Okay. Gutenberg now for WordPress. I'm gonna check if it's in the right spot. Let's put a pin size image on here so we can pin it to Pinterest, right? So let me do it this way. I'm using Gutenberg now for WordPress, but some of the editor. See that? Check out Gutenberg. So that top line it gave us here when we clicked on it right here, check out Gutenberg, the teaser text is what shows up right here on top. And then if you click the little info button, that now you can see what else you typed in. Check out Gutenberg. What did we do? We said check out WordPress Gutenberg. See it right there? Okay. So let's put that one more time. Oops, 5 minute and 18 second mark. Gutenberg now for WordPress, but some of the editor. Right? So let me do it this way. I'm using Gutenberg now for WordPress, but some of the editors are still in the classic view. See, right here. And so I'm slowly but surely kind of moving. It was that second line popped up right here, Gutenberg preview video. Okay, so the first line is that teaser that shows up right here. That's so important. And then we see this is a little description of what's going to happen there. Okay, so anywhere where I say something like, in a past video, I showed you how I want to make sure that I add that info card and put it in the right spot. Guys, ranking on YouTube has more to do with the watch time than it does anything else. So it's really important, although we're going to use best practices and we're going to optimize our title and our description
and our thumbnails, and click-through rates are important. We want to make sure that we are getting watch time. And if you want to monetize your channel, you know that you need to have 4,000 watch time hours in a 12-month period. So this is one way to increase that. We're providing value to our consumer. So that is your YouTube tip today on how to add these interactive info cards to your video to increase actions and increase watch time on your YouTube channel. Please click like, subscribe, click the little bell, comment in this video, and let me know what value you got out of this video today. And if you want to, pop in a link to a video where you put your info card in there after learning from this video. All right, thanks for joining me today.